So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove an item from your basket here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, so for example here, if I wanted to shop for home favorites, and I will just go ahead and add outdoor decor to my favorites. So let's just say you're shopping right here and you want to go ahead and add a few things to your bucket. So if you want to do this metal maple leaf right here, for example, you can go ahead and actually add it to your bucket. So if you wanted a red one and make the width whatever, you can go ahead and press on add to basket. But for whatever reason, if you change your mind or that was an accident and you don't want it in your basket any longer, so once again, I want you to go to your basket right here. It's pretty simple. Just go to where it says remove, just like this, and press on remove. Then all of a sudden, your basket is now empty. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to remove an item from your basket here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.